painting family, it's Lori from BrushFalls Studios. Today I'm going to show you a compilation of my past paintings I have created, and they cannot be sold or even given away because there's too many mistakes in them. And I'm going to show you what has happened with this particular painting. I'm going to take you down to the table and I'll show you. So here, in my early days, I used craft paint. Not the best quality, the low end of the barrel here. I'm going to show you, this has been all varnished. I'm going to show you what craft paint does to my paintings. Look at that, all that breakage and cracking. And this has been varnished, and it happened after it was varnished. Let me see, this is probably the most significant. And in here, you can't really see it here, but there's, see all the breakages in that painting? It's really, really prominent here. And unfortunately, I have to trash this. I love it. I don't even know, gosh, I hate to part with this because it's so beautiful, but I have to, because this is not sellable at all. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I'm going to show you another mistake. Long story short, with this one, make sure you use a medium grade or a higher grade painting. Stay away from, if you're going to sell, only if you practice. If you're practicing, go ahead, use the craft paint. But if you're not practicing and you're selling, get a medium or a heavy body, highly pigmented paint. Okay, here's another one. Get this out of your way. So incredibly beautiful. The colors are perfect. I love this one a lot. But I put a resin on top. And my first time ever putting resin on any painting, and I did not spray it with a light mist of alcohol or torch it. And I have all sorts of bubbles in my painting. Let's see if I can find one here. Hard to detect, but again, yeah, like here. Oh, it's hard to see with this light. See if I can find some. Some over here, they're bubbles, and they're in the painting. I cannot put this on the market either. And it's so beautiful. I mean, the composition is stunning. So there you go. This was a 24 by 36 on canvas also. And next thing I want to show you is another beautiful composition. I love the colors in this as well. But this was stored in a moving box, cardboard moving box. And I didn't line it. So guess what? There's scratches all over this thing. It's up on the side here, if you can see that. There's a scratch. It's a scratch all the way up. And this also has been varnished. And varnishing won't fill in the blanks there. So it's really sad because this one's super beautiful too. I mean, if you look really close, you can see it. But I wouldn't want to sell it. It's my name. See, more scratches up here. See that? Last one. There's no damage to this one. Nothing. But it's all the same colors, gold, yellows, and whites. And it's beautiful. but I think it's too matchy-matchy. I haven't decided if I would like to keep this or not, but this would be good in the kitchen. But I try to make my painting collection ideas from what would a person want in their house. You know, like something like this.